Professional mold making and parts manufacturer, SunOn Group. SunOn Group was founded in 1997 in the famous manufacturing city of Dongguan in China. We are located 30 minutes from Shenzhen Center and 1 hour from Hong Kong. Presently, SunOn has 1,000 employees and facilities cover over 32,000 square meters. Over the last 20 years, we have developed into a diversified manufacturing group with capabilities of molds making, plastic injection molding, 2K injection molding, die casting, CNC machining, engineering design, 3D printing, secondary processes and assembly. Since the inception, our target is to become and maintain a leading position in China's manufacturing industry. We make innovations and keep improving ourselves to deliver highest quality products and services to all our customers. We successfully achieved ISO 9001-2008 and ISO TS 16949-2009 quality certificates. Our present manufacturing facilities include Mold Department, Precision Mold Department, Big Mold Department, Injection Molding Department, Die Casting Department, CNC Machining Department, Secondary Process Department, and Assembly Department. SunOn is equipped with most advanced and modern precision manufacturing equipments and inspection equipments, such as Mitsubishi Mirror EDM, Seiki High-Speed CNC, Agi Charmiles Low-Speed Wire Cut Machine, Deep Hole Drilling Machine, 87 injection machines from 50 tons to 1,200 tons, mostly from Fanuc, LG, Demag, Haitian, and other brands. There are 14 sets of 2K injection molding machines from 140 tons to 650 tons, and 2 sets of parallel 2K injection machines. There are 10 sets of die casting machines from 160 tons to 800 tons. Quality control equipment such as CMMs, projectors, steel composition detector, dynamic balancing machine, salt spray tester, temperature testing cabinet, UV aging test chamber, X-ray fluorescent spectrometer, etc. Ensure that our parts are inspected to the highest available technology. We have long and stable cooperation with many worldwide companies, such as Siemens, Philips, BMW, VW, Panasonic, Samsung, TTI, Hubble, Kyocera, BDCI, BBK, DeLonghi, Severin, Medea, Foxconn, Skyworth, ZTE, Huawei, Flextronics, VTech, etc. We believe that our employees are the core source of our competences. We have been striving to build a friendly environment for the whole team. Work hard, live happily. We are one team, SunOn. To go back to our history and look forward to the future, we will continue improving on our quality, cost, and lead time, aiming for a win-win cooperation with our customers. We hope to deliver more and more made by SunOn products to worldwide. We warmly welcome you to visit SunOn.